Hello, BeSA students, and welcome to this introduction video about Skill Builder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account and how you can start making the labs that we are going to do each week. Once you open skillbuilder.aws, you will see the homepage and then click on Create Free Account. In this page, choose AWS Builder ID and click on Create or Sign In. On this page, you have to introduce your email address. Then click on Continue. After introducing the email, provide your name. Then click on Continue. Then AWS is going to send you an email to the email address that you have provided. In this email, you will find a verification code. Looks like this. Copy the verification code and paste it. Then, create a password for your Builder ID. Remember to use a strong password. Click on Continue. Okay, accept the terms and conditions. Then complete your profile. Click on Next. Select the time zone and your language. And click on Complete Profile. Now your Skill Builder account has been created. Skill Builder is a platform that was created by AWS to provide digital courses and of course labs. Every week I'm going to provide you a link to the lab. And the first week, the link that you are going to open is going to open a lab that is called Introduction to Amazon EC2. So once you open the link from the week, you will find a page that is going to provide you the lab so you can practice the theory. Click on Enroll the first time to access the lab. And then click on Start. You can have the tour of the instructions, but in my case, I'm going to end tour. Okay, this is the instructions of the lab, where you are going to see all the steps that you have to accomplish in order to launch an EC2 instance in this case. Click on Start Lab. Check the Accept Terms and click again on Start Lab. This will create a temporary AWS account so you can launch an EC2 instance. Click on Open Console. Then you have access to the AWS Management Console. Now you have to follow the steps. Let's accomplish the first task. Step number 3. At the top of the AWS Management Console, in the search bar, search and choose EC2. You go back to the tab where your AWS Management Console was. Go to the search bar, type EC2, and you have accomplished the step number 3. Continue. Step number 4, launch instances. Click on Launch Instance. And then you can Follow the rest of the instruction in order to launch your EC2 instance. Remember, read the instructions and complete the task in the AWS Management Console that was provided. I hope that this small guide helps you creating your AWS account and, of course, knowing how to access all the labs that you are going to accomplish. Good luck!